ena okosua ade na osua ade no ne nneoma na osua ye in fact ewo takwa bachelor degree geological engineering ena oko USA ekoye master degree in mineral engineering from New Mexico Institute of Mining and Technology. Na say a former good year was sua ho ade. Afi no koye ni PhD. Ewo minor in mineral and energy economics from Colorado School of Mines, USA. Ono kwa ni bibinia. Ghana ni, in fact Ghana ni South School since 1874. Ghana ni ono kwa ni Ghana ni South School 1874. Wetimi anya saa abodin kratawe. Na ye ka abakosem kakra. Yenhwe ade bi wa ha. Papa yi. So be ka ye mre bi. Na Aisha 1 ho asemaba. Galamse ye ka galamse na abanya ba 2017 ho. Na obey Aisha 1 bo hu na ase ya chi no ne agya no na nnoma bebre ekoso. Ema saa papa we ochire so yo boasini ne ne edene. Owura Solomon. Ekofe one Nana Akufo-Addo any senior minister then osafomafo ekofe so eka kire ne se mimi Solomon Owusu am ye oboasini am ye Ghana ni adenti ne ye ka galamsi asem na Asha 1 na sefo wagya no but ye ntie voice ne kakra oba Facebook e de to ye de uko history na ye ne no atwetwe enkomo ye ntie history ne kakra we ye mra na obusa senior minister ya osafomafo se adenti ne ye jai nipa yesusu so aye galamsi ye ntie.
My name is Solomon Owusu from Denver, Colorado. I'm here because of galamsey. We have these Chinese guys degrading our environment and polluting our water bodies left, right, center. I like this written here, Ghana first. I'm a mining engineer, and I know that these Chinese guys have identified opportunities in the country. And then when they work, our laws don't allow foreigners to engage in small scale mining. Why do we have Chinese guys mining under small scale mining license and also degrading our environment, and when they are arrested, they just repatriate them without putting them to jail? Can any of us go to China and degrade the environment without punishment? No. So now, Aisha 1, this question goes to the senior minister who is supposed to superintend all the activities of the other ministers, and also to the Minister for Planning and Evaluation. Why did you repatriate Aisha 1 without prosecuting her or enforcing her to restore the degraded lands and the polluted water bodies? Thank you.
The Nhyira Dr. Solomon Owusu Okobusa senior minister say adenti na Aisha 1 e say mo anya ne hwe wa be say ye nneoma na mo agya na say onko yentie the senior minister ya osafoma afo kan.
A very good relationship with China. They are the main company that is helping develop the infrastructure system in Ghana. Is Sino Hydro. It's a Chinese company. It's the one that is going to help process our bauxite and provide about $2 billion to us. So when there are these kind of agreements, there are other things behind the scenes. Putting that lady in jail in Ghana is not going to solve your economic problems. It's not going to make you happy or me happy. That's not important. The most important thing that is being imported out of Ghana. So we must not say it's not wrong. I'm saying that there are many other things beyond what you see in these matters. and everybody is wide awake. The most important thing is that we have planned this, we have established regulations, and we are protecting our environment. And that is far more important than one Chinese woman.
Inti utie kasa na ne we chiri na ono ankasa wa ha ono ne ye special guest for today ne ho na papa ntine wo se mesre ne dog ba bia wo bia wa ba Ghana nko ade e no se wate obefa ha ansa no akọ because ye ka galamsi asem no kai se yen se de nya ene ye 1 week our president didn't see so ne kasa wanka bibia ye galamsi nti ono so aba ha no ye bebusa no. But Yema Dr. Owusu Akwaba, mining engineer, Papa. Doc, good morning.
Good morning, Nhyira.
Bibi aboko.
Nyame adom ne humo bro.
Akwaba.
Yenua.
Ata didie. Nka wo banke wo so di bibrem.
Me pam no haya.
Sa, ya pam bibrem.
Mati.
Ede Yankopon asena ba so far Ghana te sen.
I say aye enije. Obi ani age. Che say sha na ya hye nipa so nipa ntumi nkasa. Na economy nenye na ntrone nyoma ne na mu na amamu ni nkoyi no isi ayi se adeso bi afri nipa so ayi se enije na nkofo
na se minim se na wo ye MPP minim se MPP ye di twa wafunu enti eye den na ase se wo kasa nyina akọ eti se anti MPP anti Akufo-Addo ase wo kasa nyina ye sa so mpa Akufo-Addo ase wo mpa MPP asem enso minim se wo ye MPP ni eye den
Nana say ne wo se ye beka mining asem.
Ay enti na me frɛ wi.
Enti eno de ye mfa hye fridge.
Da bi mi ehu hia because me person kofo eti nyoma bi ase say ye waba enti ye hye ase afiri ase ne akosoro.
Point of correction. So ka say the MPP twa me fru ma. Manyini si MPP.
Okay.
Say MPP started 91 92.
Okay.
Ye mfa buzi amotam no ntu nchen. MPP akasa started 91 92.
Okay.
And I was born
before.
Yeah, 78. And you know, many MPP. There's a man and a strong MPP. Or a woman organizer or boss. And my Bushani and I could MPP. University of Mines and Technology, I'm a TESCON executive. Me call US in so many trade. Me call executive. Educumia education minister. California chapter no vice chairman. I'm your deputy secretary. We were like 7 executives. I was very young by then.
For MPP.
2015, Nana saw my pictures and another bar, Yakofan Airport in the idea. All those pictures.
I know.
I've been sending them to you. But no say President Kufuor MPP now Uja ono. Say President Kufuor abem messing up. Near Kasa wontie. No disabin sem hunu no be esro. Say Kumasi na metero.
Yeah.
Ashanti region there Kumasi stronghold.
Yeah.
One country chairman want to me say Owusu aba. Na ne galamsey na ye omuja na man ye se nsuo ni ade nyina no President Mahama se President Kufuor so hwenhwe han President Mahama say on the obey ni ye timba me bae no me behwe ne maboa no me ne me team ye beboa no na wuntumi ne nkofo no omu sensuo no mo de few months mo behu action na me de bedi efese wuntumi okro onim se wuntumi me ne nyina wie school the same year 96. Maybe Kobo sector no corporate college. Maybe sa omu corporate college. They know him very well. Major national, me chere sem your Kobo sector board.
Me say nyo no nkwa na.
Me say ono the main target. What Ashanti region sure say bebrebe nyina wuntumi e ka ho no ma say nsuo no. Obi ntumi nka ho asem na ban papa ba. It because of this na economy enkoso ne nsem hu na ekoso no. Do you think say me koso edi Akufo-Addo echi? No way. MPP ne yanfa wo mi o. Me pena me join ye. It is enkoyia me free. Me nyampi me I resigned 2019, right? I told you, you know it. Me nyampi ni. Me jai 2019 me jai. Because of Akufo-Addo nsem huna na odi nti.
Why dey?
And am bija. Why dey unim?
E be catch me say me
nim. Nsem fu Akufo-Addo bedi organ ha unim.
Catch me.
O de my young mining so because in some also you pon tambe na bepon
so look at me
you be pon tambe oh I say who call a tifia ko hunu nsuo no asa ba da for gas why dem fair no ade am Kenya wo dada Akufo-Addo Ashanti region am Kumasi stop say meti America na meto to bomb and me to bomb no Kumasi here ya mo fa wuntumi mbra Ntwibu osi akọ. Afe no obechia yamwo e Ghana ha. Obechia jata.
Man to say 1 week ago President Kasano. Also beboa no wan ka galamsey wom. Ade. Obi aye nim so be solve so beboa no wan ka galamsey.
The first 120 days first policy no dey by na enim.
Very wom but say was nka speech in
speech no on to me kind now otu face speech no on beka de wo nyina wo inaugural speech mu. Na John to how you educated. You summarize and give,
but at least key thing bit is all kind of employment.
Yeah, we the first 4 months. Say 120 days here 4 months.
Yeah.
Yeah, we the first 4 months. Say wanye bibi amfa ho a. And then I can we but say afi no aba. Me see e beboa. Say me maka me minister, me CEO, me hwe, I will remain a private person and we will guide you. Last Saturday UTV, me name so Oshebia.
Yeah.
On our Peter me confirm on UTV say me team, especially me in particular, me advice and the guidance and a man is successful in the first in the few days would you ministry. And I'm okay, it's there. I have the tape like me they send you. Ain't me see a beboa no galam say we am focus enye ebe America say gold na ye tu ho. Me madwuma me America e gold mine ye adwuma. What is America is you be say?
China because all the video bit to mpacho for sa video
no video ni to de me gina nsuo ho mo mine no me search na mo fa to ro bi e say enye rocket science.
For video for sa video ni to so.
World US to so 5.
Okay, this one.
Gold production. Eyi tosu 6 Ghana tosu 6 China ya omo ayeja omo say yesu nana China #1 gold producing country in the world as woman should say and omeja omo prison for omo ma church omo bebrebe abegu krum ha no omo say yesu panyi bie ntumi nka Akufo Addo sorry o say I put my presidency on the line fighting galamsey insem hunu kwa na Akufo Addo di ko bisi kubase na mo and the man burn fire but what the
the issue of galamsey environmental because that is where your field is.
Yes,
I mean I know based on even research in nature say Ghana as it stands is the leader gold producer
in Africa.
Yes. And I'm thinking about because Nana Akufo Addo kasi etisika no. I was thinking say and it's asika no. And I'm looking at the resources the figures a free krom ha kwa. Na ye da so twe ye bonu ye kwa kopesika. I'm asking e dey ntipa na ntimi nya gold so mfa so. What is happening? But your video no nedam, but your video we
mo say nsuo emboba egu ase nyina na da ho.
We abrochi
America no na obi yi fish wo. Meanwhile omo man ni wo ne nchen ho a. Really? Na video me dem order da no first one tiase o.
Amantiase.
Na asa no pay ase o yet said there no maybe o wonim any gold mine
anti gold mining fam ni ene nsuo ni so ben
small scale gold mine na wo ne nsuo ni ben ho obi an se nsuo bia ho.
Really?
Ti se betumi aye we wo ai Colorado.
Ene nsuo na ni ate sa utimi num bi no.
Enti se me kase ye betumi aye wo Ghana ha enji machi ni ye be provided say benya the blessing of the president. Only the president or he know when you uye galamsey I'll deal with you. Trust me.
Any braba
me say power me hear power from the president. Once a men pense muhunti am say men government e bia. Emma party panyi bia patwi phone masare no. Ye kon say uye MPP new uye NDC new ye nchia no straight na mo behu difference.
Ese obeboa ma yensu nani ate.
Enye nsuo nko a nsase ne bibia ye be a mo be ye o madwuma ensensuo nsensase eno na president Mahama ede ba no eno so na be beboa no
asesa
na say videos na me de send e no first masa mo fan to so no mo enro ya o na bitwa ye o from Takwa to Obuasi ekwan do so wasa Japan wasa Kropon nko China for egu na o de answer na ye beto aso no. But I'm say how many minutes na more? Because no man am bekan no. My body top from obey do so pa.
Sir.
How many minutes na more? How many hours?
There many hours.
Oh, in 2 hours.
I am hour.
Oh, that be. And
I kasa 5 minutes cry wa kasa be.
Anyway,
enti en kasa.
Now,
Yeah.
Answer na me start the whole thing.
You can do 20-25 minutes.
No, it's short.
Yeah,
One mama driver from Obuasi Abidru ha down be catch them say. Anyway.
Yeah.
And then no say me catch say me ba ya ma me panyi bi a we free 1 week observation e wo Aswa.
Yeah.
Ne ne ti America na oba bet na fie kakra. Ti waka nchina gu e friend no Mrs Victoria Beko. Ti me free her me ko 1 week na say me de kra me no nyina kra na beko. Na me beginem ama nemba baako enam fofo.
All right.
Ne ba no de Mrs Nhyira Adontin Boatin ni kunu ne Bishop Adontin Boatin a omo Virginia. Eti ne nam fofo a me beginem ama omo ene Mrs. Kate Paka Jamesi or Las Vegas,
right.
Nevada. Sister Amanyina Ku Las Vegas. Sister Fiamankwa New York. And then Sister Shilasoa Ohio. It be free me ko say nas. Nana, what be some question? Na answer na no. Ma mind no ya na nipa bebre no entiase. Tie na ma me use this opportunity. Na me function no maybe. You were large scale. And there was small scale.
Right.
Large scale no Newmont to money. Go Falls, Adam Musini Adia. Omono ahoho etumi yebi. And almost omu dimraso. Unte say Go Falls akose nsuo. Unte say Adam Newmont akose nsuo.
Right.
And there was small scale. Small scale no share ye Minerals and Mining Act 2006 Act 703 Section 83. It states say only Ghanaian citizens can engage in small scale mining. We are Ghana ni pe and out to me small scale mining.
Right.
My sending references na mamu. Nti mo pa mo fantos no obi anhwe bi.
Yeah.
YMBC ho say small scale no mama ye nia ye dia na ye na wo se ye no. E na ye sensuo no essence aso no. Dia abrofo no tumi bi na last scale na abrofo no om sika be wurem Newmont ade ndi omudi mra no so. E na sam mra na making echechiri both large scale, echechiri small scale. They are all there. Make kotu ni nyina ende. Enti ade na ye ne ye Ghana for no. Ye ni mum ye say yensuo say sase na yakofa China for begum. Abraham ran say no foreigner should engage in small scale mining. Inti China for na omo ye galamsey no. Efe say omo free China for na do say o fight galamsey or the presidency ato on the line na. China for who abese yensuo ni yensase apanyi bientumi anka ohini bientumi anka na no tu for we dey be wo Ashanti region me peja me mu nana galamsey by o kan bia president Akufo-Addo wa fa anya djuma wentie
na hanana pa
hanana wentie na me assure na say President Mahama the odeba no nyame ya adum na adwan sesa de a say na be hu yeah you know the mining no the ebeko
right
na small scale no Ghana fo nyina fa ni nyina galamsey enye ni nyina na galamsey
right
eye 3 ye wo license small scale mining and utumi kokoje license for Minerals Commission and there were illegal mining omuni license omuni from galamsey for oni license
right
and President Akufo-Addo de community mining abeka nti ayem yesa now the sad aspect is the waji license so the one J license so obia sensu sense that's a fact
omatu
abom adentia Emrani Chrese no ye Minerals and Mining Act 2006 at 703 Section 93. Or see, say a man krata no se fakoye adwuma license na. Ye adwuma no kwampa so ebebo ye nsuo ni ensase ho ban. Ewom me kotu ni nyina. Na kwan ya obefa so a obeye no step by step. Yes, any. Thank you very much. Also then, a person license and operations of small scale miners. And Minerals and Mining Act 2006 Act 703 Section 93. Or see a person licensed under Section 82, that is small scale mining, may win, mine, and produce minerals by an effective and efficient method, and shall observe good mining practices, health and safety rules, and pay due regard to the protection of the environment during mining operations. Ada bono. Or patch say tunu kwampa so na yen saase ne yen suo so bo ho ban ana.
Yeah, no.
Eti se wonim se wuntumi, for example, akunta mining or license na ye kohera saase so na adwuma na wo ye no asensuo na unim se yetumi ge license no yetumi revoke the license. Yes, it is there. And I will share ye emra no mu na untumi transfer license kra e mahoho. Eno ye 83 me pacho fa 83 so eto transfer of license. Nhyira FM. O se me makoje license me de ye adwuma na me fi se mpese me ton a e wo se me ton ma Ghana ni mintumi ton ma China ni. Enti na me say bi you say China for na small scale mining e wo krum ha no hwan mo na de o mo baaye. Nhyira FM. Ebio again to the Chinese. Minua say we are Ghana ni.
Yeah.
Enie oh no ko 88 no. Ko 88. Oh, okay eba. So we are Ghana ni na se okofa China ni eko small scale mining site so any or see the transfer of license 88. A license granted under section 82 may be transferred only to a citizen and with the consent of the minister. Me boa. Min toma China ni I don't cross me Toma Ghana ni for 7 minister ya we ama bibi koso na nya
you say we
and
so betimi a transfer ama me Ghana not Chinese.
Not Chinese.
Okay.
Enti ebio China for no again why mo na de omo baaye. Na politicians ni betra ha omo nka no kra nkyere mu o. Both MPP and this made them me nji obi enfrim. Omo nyina ye bi. No credit pa ko pe. Omo nyina ye bi. Just that MP4 by Rombe Pamo NDC phone gunchen and omunko asom no ma sensuo ni bebre sana de na kwe na onim say me ye Ghana ni me wo license na China ni aba na ya beche China ni na ye jeli na Ghana ni so say ye jeli kan onim say politician bi abetra akasa asem ne da. For example, wuntumi mebondi me si wuntumi ombra studio ha me twen no. Me twen wuntumi nde. Galamsey. Ashanti Region World Bank no wuntumi akonta mine ne other companies awatiti.
Oso onye galamsey.
Na munyina musuro no nama na wuntumi. Be ma bia ni ho.
Oso onye galamsey.
Me de word na Ghana for use na me use bi. But also license small scale mining. Na se wo license na wo ko se nsu a enye effect am say na ayo no
say na afena mo be investigation.
Oh okay. Anyway, enti se me fa ne se wuntumi akoje license or the adwuma wakofa China ni akoto so a China ni eye small scale mining na task force for ekoche na task force for de ne ko ye friend say police na court na ye prosecute a jelly China ni na o see jelly Ghana ni kan onim sa sada mrane tie. Oh yeah, sana mrane tie
because na ni kwan so the license ne ma foreigner
enya license simple omo the license ma foreigner no crowd eni eno crowd o ma say o ma sem na o ma China ni akora asase so no yes the fact that China ni wo asase so to small scale mining no crowd what from bra you can go to jail. Oh yeah, politicians in the better omonka because omo kan omo na e galamsey no. What do I say? And on tonchen minua ensuom emrane say we a river of it. You can mine in the river. You can only mine 100 meters away. She say, this side 100 meters. This side 100 meters. Na insuni ni. And so masa video bi na revolving and rank one be try mo fan to so no obi anhwe bi chafan sim to enro ya me free takwa ebesia ko bo asiasa na me ba ha na me twa enro ya na mo fan to so chafan si ofim o e to pacho this is ni kronim police commander ni o immigration officer ni o. And most of these guys are employed by the Chinese, Togolese, Burkinabes, Turkish, foreigners. And I employ Ghana for no more. No more much peanut. Not on my face can any Andrea na bichaye. Andrea some nipa ne gusu to.
Hey.
Andrea na bichaye. Andrea me try videos bebre.
So ni na say no.
Meet na me call boase kra me late because of a year na me twitwa meba. Na opanyi ye to aso no. Unim say sa ensuo ya omode mercury cyanide arsenic ne other poisonous chemicals asay no. Ghana Water Company omo system no enye calibrated to treat these poisonous chemicals 100%. We are aware. There are some elements of cyanide, mercury, arsenic near the womb, the pipe ko fie na wubu e de aduane di no. From the president to the last person, ubi affect ubi. Na woni say o se utikumase, o de galamsey ni ha. Pipe na no unim baby enso ni free. Se Kumasi the biggest water treatment plant Barakesi meboa. Barakesi, yes, you know, around 1967 to 1969. It started 1967 and ended around 1969. And yeah, Kwame Nkrumah, President Nkrumah time. That time, no, not insurance say. Into system now, more you know. Meaning, say, ne crowd on to me, I calibrate man, I change poisonous chemicals completely there. I don't know. Now, when you insure a feed, sa Barakesi no. Revolfia, Bijina win. Ofia galamsey focus on muhebi. And no na what you Google pacho about 4 rivers, but the biggest river is several Barakesi river of Insuwi. And the Pogu no omo etwiti amayano. Na you see why sometimes I get crazy.
To Utiha. So na trent na wase no. Yes,
inso na omakos hwe nipa na guso tututu inso na ni ase no. We na ba kofa atwema mponua ona na abegu Barakesi. Ansa na omatwiti na oma pompe ekọ wi. Enti sign na ni ade no so untumi fa wani hu. Ene inso krom titiri kra no. Ense da nye clear sa, enye colorless sa, efin wom. Me share video bi mre bia na obi de yi filter bia efin e bia also de obenum insuo we bi opanyin how long ena insuo we won obi a Ghana ha odi sa insuo bi na eye fufuo da
David
odi sa afio na ye otwe binim kwan efese se kwese na mo otwe binim kwan na efese de insuo na ye de pipe na enti aduane a wudi no mercury ni sign na ade na hwe nipa na gusu.
Hey.
Yes. Ana eye kwan hu onye se opanyin nye se ekwan hu. Panyi bi atwama wo hu. Police fo twama wo hu. Immigration fo twama wo hu. Enso omu tu nsuo nim. Ni nyina chi president Akufo-Addo so put in the presidency on the line to fight galamsey. Na me betra na mka say sabi I don't want to use certain words. Edu ba bia wo hu. Na me hwe ne yeye wa you know amanone ye too good yen sensuo sensase ni ye jai China for say yen so ni ensase because of gold. Na gold no kra say ni nya wo me number analysis bi a kire wo hu bedwuru. I mean started the financial aspect. Look, okay, before me baro but me got health risk. On say ya nana yesu saro meaning say we me around my age group. Now what is our kidney ni liver ni
no.
Yes. Dialysis ya aba kolebuni ade ya dipa kokro mu nya duro ni no manomai. Now what be? Afe na yiniti o. In the next 5, 10, 15 years, say yan see ade we ano ne di besi no ehu because nsuo bi a ye de aduane bi a ye di o se e bia Kumasi brewery bia no say pipe ro de and there is some just affect everybody and ye ka mo me yenka na se nipa ba ko ono ne botomu nti ye nyina yenwu. Can you imagine this? Now, apart from health risks, Ghana Water, they spend a lot of money to treat the water. They be about 1 million Ghana cedi, and they be treated Taman Suno and say or they be 10 million Ghana cedi, and they be treated because so talk, first and chemicals no be treaty. Yeah, Boka, and I shut down. It's a bonsa and so me could try. And also by the Sunday, more for bonds and into so. Never America, yes, you, yes, you, yeah, mine, now, if yes, you, America. It is a minimum, my exposed, and that's my fault. But that's inside the old kind. Since 1874, many the first Ghanaian, it may be a PhD mining engineering from the world #1 mining school. And I'm also a PhD minor in mineral and energy economics. Too. Wait your friend, doctor. Hey. Oh yes.
What be me? I'm a Jew.
And you being a Yamiadum. Now, the thing is, say, Matre China for the Matre UK for the Matre way. Na me krum no man say na minim say between na abinding pensi beya. Do you think I'll go quiet? So now you understand why you see me on social media everywhere. No. Yes.
Oh yeah.
I am here
because baby I am na ye.
Baby I am na ye and I want so na be wo. And ye betumi aye and na mon kwa kakra mbodi nti nipa nyina wu party hia sika salty na osafo answer no ko de ma me say sano hydro 2 billion nti no hwe me be analysis bi ho me wi a obi a wo ha producer obi a cameraman obi a be sese ye wo mpanyimfo a sebi omunyiso o madwene.
All right, break it down for analysis members just 2 minutes we na fa prepare na bra yenye yi na